Welcome back. In this lesson, we're exploring Amazon EBS Elastic Block Store, focusing on EBS volumes and snapshots. Amazon EBS provides high-performance block storage for EC2 instances. By the end of this session, you'll understand what EBS volumes are, how snapshots work, and how to use them effectively. Let's get started. An EBS volume is a virtual block storage device that you attach to an EC2 instance. Think of it like a virtual hard drive. Unlike instant store volumes, EBS volumes are persistent. This means your data stays intact even if the instance is stopped or terminated. They're designed for low latency and high throughput workloads, which makes them ideal for applications like databases and file systems. You also get flexibility. You can choose from several volume types based on your performance and cost needs. For example, if you're running a production database, you'd likely go with a provisioned IOPS SSD volume to ensure fast and consistent performance. Let's briefly look at the main EBS volume types. General Purpose SSD or GP3 is the most cost-effective and versatile option. It works well for a wide range of use cases, from dev environments to small and medium databases. Provisioned IOPS SSD or IO2 is built for I/O-intensive workloads like large databases or critical apps that need consistent low-latency performance. Throughput Optimized HDD or ST1 is great for high-throughput use cases like big data and log processing. And finally, Cold HDD or SC1 is the lowest cost option, best for infrequently accessed data like backups or archives. Choosing the right volume type is key to optimizing both performance and cost. Now let's talk about EBS snapshots. A snapshot is a point-in-time backup of an EBS volume. These backups are stored in Amazon S3, making them durable and accessible. Snapshots are important for a few reasons. First, they protect your data. If something goes wrong, like accidental deletion or corruption, you can restore your data from a snapshot. Second, they're efficient. Snapshots are incremental, which means only the changes since the last snapshot are saved. This helps reduce storage costs. Third, they're flexible. You can use snapshots to create new volumes, move data across regions, or share data with other AWS accounts. For example, if you're expanding into a new region, you can take a snapshot of an EBS volume and restore it in the new region to spin up your data quickly. There are a few common use cases for snapshots. The first is backup and restore. Regular snapshots help you recover quickly from unexpected issues. The second is data migration. Snapshots let you move data across regions or availability zones. And the third is data sharing. You can share snapshots with other AWS accounts, which is useful for collaboration or distributing pre-configured environments. To use EBS volumes and snapshots effectively, follow a few best practices. First, choose the right volume type. Match your storage to your workload's performance needs. Second, take regular snapshots. Automate this process using AWS backup or custom scripts. Third, monitor your volumes using Amazon CloudWatch to detect and respond to performance issues early. And finally, optimize your costs. Set up lifecycle policies to delete old snapshots and avoid paying for unused storage. Let's recap. EBS volumes are persistent block storage for EC2 instances. They're flexible, high-performing, and come in several types to match your use case. EBS snapshots are point-in-time backups stored in S3. They're incremental, cost-effective, and useful for backup, migration, and sharing. By understanding how volumes and snapshots work and following best practices, you can build more resilient and efficient systems in AWS. That's it for this lesson. In the next video, we'll walk through a hands-on demo using EBS volumes and snapshots in action. See you there.